What's going on, fellow engineers? In this video, I'm going to discuss a little bit more about Samba. Recently, I ran into an issue where you have to authenticate to access the files, but I don't have a problem with the files being accessible within the network. So I want to disable that ability to, or the functionality to require users to authenticate to be able to access the files. So I'm going to show you how to change that setting so that anybody that has access to your network has access to the files on your Samba share. Let's get into it. All right, so I have my terminal window already pulled up and connected to my server. And so what I'm gonna do is open this file here using Nano. This file is the Samba configuration file. It can be found at etsy/samba/smb.conf. And so if you go into it, where you have your entries for each of your Samba share directories, you'll want to add the following value to the configuration for each one, and that is going to do guest okay equals yes, and I'm gonna do the same thing down here, guest okay equals yes. And since I have no need for the specifying, or I don't want to have to identify going forward, I'm going to remove the valid users because essentially everybody is having access now. And so and also because I have read-only access here, so regardless of who has access, they won't be able to do anything to the files. So that's also a benefit as well. And so now that I have that set up in place, I'm going to save. If you're using Nano, you save using Control O, and you'll get this prompt down here at the bottom of what to save the file name as. Just hit enter and then do Control X to exit. And then I'm going to run sudo service smbd restart to restart Samba. And now if I go over to my file explorer and go to other locations, and actually let me disconnect what was previously connected. All right, so if I go to other locations and now go to that particular server, and it should authenticate me, as you see here, without any issue or prompting for credentials because the guest access is set to yes. So essentially I'm browsing the files now as an anonymous user. Even if I close it out again and try it again, other locations, and I go to the dashcam directory, again, not prompted for credentials. So that wraps it up for this particular video. If you have any questions about anything in this video, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section below. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at almostengr, and check out my website, thealmostengineer.com. Until next time, peace out.